East Bengaluru is expanding rapidly, and Kadugodi in Whitefield is right at the heart of this growth story. Now imagine an address in Whitefield, but far from the noise. Welcome to a location that gives you the best of both worlds. At codename Namamane, you're not in the chaos, you're just off it. Strategically set about 2 kilometers from the main road, this address offers something rare in Whitefield. Cleaner surroundings, lower noise, and a calmer everyday experience without compromising on access. And with its strong connectivity and evolving infrastructure, it also holds excellent potential for long-term value appreciation. So, close enough for convenience, far enough for peace. With the Whitefield Kadugodi metro station accessible within a 7-minute walk from the project's back gate, you're seamlessly connected to the entire city via the Purple Line. And with easy access to Whitefield Main Road, Channasandra Road, Old Madras Road and Hoskote Road, every part of Bengaluru is within comfortable reach. The advantage doesn't stop here. Located close to the proposed 80 feet CDP radial road and less than 1 kilometer from the upcoming 330 feet Bengaluru business corridor, this address is set to become even more connected in the future. So you get a location that's not just relevant today, but also future ready. So why Kadugodi? Because it's part of the larger Whitefield growth corridor, but without the clutter of high traffic main roads. Here you experience lower traffic noise, less dust and pollution, safer, calmer internal roads, easier drop-offs and pickups. This is what real everyday livability looks like. At codename Namamane, you're right in the heart of East Bengaluru's thriving IT corridor. With major employment hubs just minutes away, from International Tech Park Bengaluru and Titanium Tech Park to GR Tech Park and Sigma Soft Tech Park, your daily commute becomes shorter, simpler and far more convenient. Reputed schools like Chrysalis High, Ryan International, Vedahi School of Excellence and Dean's Academy are just a short drive away from codename Namamane. Healthcare access is seamless with Atya Sai Super Specialty Hospital, Vedahi Hospital and Manipal Hospital within comfortable reach. For shopping and lifestyle, destinations like Forum Neighborhood Mall, Park Square and Nexus Shantiniketan ensure that weekends are never far from entertainment and dining. This isn't just a well-connected location, it's a well-balanced one. Codename Namamane brings you the rare advantage of being connected to the city yet tucked away from the chaos. Visit today to experience why this address just feels right.